haven't seen yet.
Yeah, surprise from Habibi. And yeah, there's these people smiling at us while we're driving. So bye. I'm regretting the churro decision.
Oh, you want to go back and have?
Well, have you seen another one? I guess. I don't really want to go back.
What is it called? Churro?
Churro!
Churro. A churro. There was a churro place right on the street. And I told her, do you want some? And she's like, no, I want to be there on time. So I told her it's about not just about the destination, it's about the trip. It's about planning. Anyways, I was wrong.
What did I say?
It's all about planning what time you arrive and everything with the kids, which I agree on that. But I also believe it's about the journey, not just the destination. So at the end, it turns out I was mistaken because I want to be happy.
But I do regret my churro decision. I want a churro now.
Anyways, I'm sorry, my love. I will not repeat it again. Oh, we missed the water. Oh, maybe we didn't.
Our first sight of the water since a while now in Tambor area.
We are in the Tambor. Oh, whoa, whoa, slower, slower. Oh, hello. There's a beach there. Oh, nice.
Oh, the airport is here.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, hello.
No. Where is
Okay.
it? To be continued. I think this is it here. Let's see.
The what?
No. This is a school. I thought it was the airport. With a big bus. I don't know. What's this? Something with a bunch of flags.
Make sure you're filming this time.
I'm filming. Oh. Some Tambor. Barcelo Tambor.
Canada!
Did you see it? Did you see it? We saw it.
I love you.
I don't think she's sleeping. And 2 seconds later.
Let's watch it.
Is this the airport?
Huh.
I think that's the airport. Yep. There's the airport. There's the big runway. And then the sea. See you soon. In a week and a half? Almost. We'll see. Why are you shrugging?
Bird.
A bird. We almost hit a bird.
At least it's not a turkey.
That's a funny truck. I think these are plant banana.
In 300 meters,
Trees.
sharp right.
Yeah, at the top. Well, this has no. They have no fruit on the top. I was talking about the taller ones.
I know.
Okay,
see anymore.
going right.
Sharp
Oh,
right.
there's something there.
Continue straight.
Buries me.
I love the color of these houses, like bright yellow, bright blue.
I don't think I got them. It's hardest to do, or is that something grew?
Gosh, I don't know.
Grow to the soil like that?
So we're completely off-road right now. Lynn,
Might be on private property. We're not sure. We're trying to find where we're supposed to go tomorrow for our boat tour. We're supposed to go to Playa Organos.
mm,
There's no street that goes all the way there, so
trying to figure it out. It's pretty cool off-road though. Just in case it's a private road, I'm gonna close my windows because there's a dog nearby. That's my experience from 2 years ago in Costa Rica.
that's these guys.
Ah. We just stopped at the side by the road here.
Did you like the coconut? No? Yeah, I don't like it either. But Baba loves it, so.
Now we're gonna cut it. eating a coconut.
Oh, wait.
My wife, who knows everything, doesn't know the meaning of coconut in Spanish.
The meaning?
Well, the
How to
word.
say?
How to say coconut.
Do you speak English?
Very best. London, very best.
Speak London very best?
I'm fluent London. So we're on our way now to our stay for the day.
And I'm pretty sure this is where we were supposed to be going for the beach too, for the meetup tomorrow.
Don't tell them our plans. Surprise. So this
All
is
our
pretty
followers
off-road.
might get to us.
Well, it's not about security, it's about like suspense,
Ah,
you know? Which, by the way, thank you for the follower number 42. I'm very glad that you decided to subscribe. I have to figure out a way to see the names of the followers. There must be a way. Anyways, subscribers, followers, sorry. She speaks London very best.
I do speak London very best.
Very best than me.
Very bester than you.
Very bester. There you go. You bester. Another bite. Another bite.
Another one bites the dust.
Oh. No. All right, let's go. I'm not sure how we're gonna go up here, but apparently we're doing it.
Okay.
Station will be on the right.
All right. This is pretty steep.
Good thing it's paved and has
Yeah.
like, I don't know, little ridges in the street.
Yeah. This reminds me of the road we took with the guys a couple of years ago in Costa Rica. But that was the aerial volcano.
My neck is killing me. I'm trying to relax my neck.
I don't know what our baby is thinking about. Why? If you're actually dying, I'd like proof I didn't do anything.
You're driving.
Oh,
What do
crap.
you mean?
Okay. I'm sorry it happened to you. I'm happy for you. Where are we now?
We're in our hotel room. Show them the view.
This view?
No?
Okay. This view. Ooh. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna keep our stuff here.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need.
This is the lake. Sleeping baby. Moment to relax and have a drink. I had a Coco Loco. It had passion fruit, coconut, and something else. It was really good. Now just chilling after a bit of crying and putting her to sleep.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game day face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Let's go outside. Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're eating. La, 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 la.
This is very cool, huh? Hello, Moto. Hmm? Show me your other hand. Show me. Nice.
We're having our dessert. Yummy chocolate brownie. And our drinks. A nice fruit cocktail.
Me?
Yeah. And there's a baby on the floor.